Hey Kelly, so I modified your vehicle.
You did what?
Can you find it? Look up, down, down, down. Look at the mirror.
Okay, the mirror looks the same.
There's a camera there now.
Where?
Look at the plastics.
This?
Yeah, that's the new camera that was sent to us.
It looks stock.
I know, isn't that nuts?
Today on the show, we're talking protection for your vehicle. Vehicles are just getting expensive anymore, and it's he said, she said when it comes to accidents. You know, the officer will come out and say, hey, who pulled out in front of who? And really, there's been no way till recently to say, hey, no, I have video evidence of they pulled out in front of me and it wasn't my fault. They used to be big and bulky, and they took up all this window space, and it was just aggravating, to be honest. And then companies like FITCAMX back here, they have a dash cam that replaces big old chunky plastic here, and it's got a camera in it. Now I want you to show you this. Look at this. There is a camera in that, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna bolt in right where this plastic is. It's gonna replace that, and it's gonna give us peace of mind when, whether it be somebody pulling out in front of us, or if we want some cool off-road footage, and now we have a cool front off-road camera to do that with. And down the road, we're gonna have a camera in the back of this thing as well. It's supposed to be super simple, easy to install, because look, there's no mounting really hardware. You unbolt that, and this basically replaces it. So let's get into installing this. So the kit comes with a couple little things here. We need the little blue thing here, this little plastic deal. We're gonna pop the covers off of this up here, and let's do this. So let's set this over here. And that was part of the appeal of this thing, was just supposedly the simplicity of this all. So on the FITCAMX, there's some attachments you can see. You can see them right there. There's 3 of them there. So let's see if we can pop this off. There we go. Oh, that was super easy. Just popped right off there. You can see the same 3. You got the 3 mounting clips right there. You can see, and they're the same kind of mounting clips. Now, part of this is we're gonna tap into the power source for the mirrors. So this is a auto dimming mirror, and we have this little piggy tail right here that you can see. And this goes to the camera, and this just goes in between. Yeah, pretty easy to unsnap there, it looks like. Yeah, there you go. So, I mean, I say it's pretty easy anyways. So it pops out there. Something's clipped onto that, and it looks like this end might go into here maybe. Oh, look at that. And that's the power of this thing. Just that right there. Now, we've got a couple. This is the rear view camera. You can see it, and it is labeled there, rear view camera, which we're not gonna worry about that one today. I'm gonna attack that one down the road, but sorry if I can see to line these up. There, plugs that in. Okay, so we're gonna leave this so the camera's out front. So now how do we'll make sure these clips all line up too. And ta-da. All right, so you can see it says FitCam. There's our app. Got it installed there, and if you see it's the refresh of the screen there. But let's access it, and it brings up the screen right there. And look at that! Like, I had this done in like minutes. Like, that's ridiculous. And you got a place that looks like we can download the files here. There's camera settings. Let's see what that means. All right, sound recording, video resolution right there. So we're doing definitely 4K. Loop options every 3 minutes. So exposure, what else we got going on here? All right, so man, parking monitor collision detection off. So we'll do least sensitive on that. So that's kind of cool. Driver collision sensing. So let's go to medium on that one right there. So what that does is it definitely records it. So it's saving that. So that's pretty cool. And it's going to timestamp it right there. And that, look at that. Like, that's it. Like, you can see my messy backyard. And you literally just seen me pull this plastic piece off, install that plastic piece, and pretty freaking simple, man.
So that's what you put in my truck?
Yeah, literally took like 3 minutes. unplug one thing, the cover pops off, unplug one thing, put the two plugs back together, and you're done.
So it's done. That was, I mean, that was silly simple. And I like silly simple because while I do understand other cameras out there, you know, the wiring and all that, this is so smart. And people like me who are electronically challenged will say, yeah, I did that in my driveway. And if I can do it in my driveway, so can you. So whether it be 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or this camera, you can't even see in my ride. This has been your All Terrain Nation. I'm your host, David Boyd, and we're out. Peace, everybody. Love you all.